We're getting a big news from Amethi. Smriti Irani, who's not only the Member of Parliament from Amethi, but is now the candidate for the BJP again, has made a big Gandhi Parivar attack in Amethi. Vadra posters were seen outside Amethi's Congress office. So Smriti Irani warning Jagdishpur farmers over Vadra and said, hide your farm papers. The rumours rife over Robert Vadra from Jagdishpur. Basically, she's suggesting that the Gandhi Parivar individuals will be involved now in electoral politics. They'll harm the farmers. And Smriti Irani steps up attack on the family in Amethi. Targets Robert Vadra, says, I've heard the name of Jagdishpur from Vadra, that they could be coming for the farmers here. Villagers, hide your farm paper, she says, as Vadra is taking the name of Jagdishpur.
कांग्रेस पार्टी को यहाँ पर एक भी अपना प्रतिनिधि बिना आपा खोए इसलिए नहीं मिलता है क्योंकि बच्चा बच्चा जानता है कि अगर राहुल गांधी से आज पूछ लिया जाए कि डोमा डी कहाँ है और डी ब्लॉक कहाँ है तो अंतर नहीं बता पाएंगे। आज अगर राहुल गांधी से पूछ लिया जाए कि भेटुआ कहाँ है भादर कहाँ है वो नहीं बता पाएंगे। आज अगर राहुल गांधी से पूछ लिया जाए इन्होंना कहाँ है पर होना कहाँ है वो नहीं बता पाएंगे। लेकिन चिंता करने की एक बात जरूर है प्रधानमंत्री, राहुल गांधी को कुछ आए या ना आए, उनके जीजा जी के मुख से मैंने जगदीशपुर का नाम जरूर सुन लिया है। इसलिए जगदीशपुर की जनता तो सावधान हो जाए। अगर जीजा जी को जगदीशपुर सुरेश ध्यान में आ गया है, इसका मतलब एक एक गांव, एक एक घर, एक एक व्यक्ति अपना खेत का कागज छुपा दे।
Very interesting. Remember, she's not only suggesting that Vadra could come into electoral politics, but the fact that it could mean much worse for the farmers in Jagdishpur. I want to bring in India Today's Abhishek Mishra for the latest on that. Abhishek, you've been interacting with the leaders in and around Amethi as well. Why precisely this attack at Robert Vadra by Smriti Irani?
Well, Pooja, one thing is very certain that Smriti Irani during her campaign is directly hitting out at Gandhi family and the people related to them. And yes, indeed, Vadra's name was earlier came into the picture when he, in a way, suggested his name to be a part of this Amethi as a candidature. But this time, it is very clear now that Amethi will be contested by Rahul Gandhi, and Smriti Irani is time and again hitting out at the Gandhi family, and this time specifically mentioning the name of Robert Vadra and referring all these villages of Jagdishpur to hide their papers related to their property is a clear indication that she's not leaving any kind of opportunity to, hit out at them. It is very clear that Smriti Irani knows that this election is going to be very important if a Gandhi family member gets as a candidate on this seat, and that is why she's not leaving any opportunity to get back on them. She is aggressively campaigning in Amethi, has been covering throughout the day, and now we are waiting for the announcement from the Congress side, and it remains to be seen how interesting this battle is going to be. But Smriti Irani is time and again, one by one, is hitting out at the Gandhi family and also at Vadra now, mentioning that how has been their background and
Abhishek,
what all...
can we still say that there's still suspense looming large over Amethi specifically, because that's what Smriti Irani is, I think, also getting to the point about. That whether she's challenging Rahul Gandhi on one side, but is Vadra's name also coming in, and she's suggesting that wouldn't be good for people of in and around Amethi?
Well, absolutely. And, we have witnessed it on the ground as well, that there is quite a sentiment for the Gandhi family. But Smriti Irani constantly with her work, with the policies of Modi government, her presence throughout 5 years, and also 2014 to 2019 when she was not the Member of Parliament for Amethi, is constantly making this statement that this family has forgotten Amethi, they don't know anything about the family, this constituency, and at the same time, Rahul has already moved to Wayanad, calling it as his home. So that is something Smriti is trying to get the sentiments in her favor for the election, and it remains to be seen how it will inculcate whether into votes or the kind of support. But she's constantly on the go, on the campaigning, and directly hitting at Gandhi family at each and every conference and every promotion, campaigning.
That's true.
Activity.
That's true. In fact, most of her campaigning has been about charging at Rahul Gandhi and the Gandhi family as well on that.